In this video, I'll show you how to use 1xbet free bet promo code. This is simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xbet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xbet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So if you want to use a free bet promo code, this is what you do. For instance, if you come on a code here and click on promo code, you're going to see you can enter a promo code for a free bet. A list of your active promo codes can be found in my account. So if you have a promo code and you put it here, you can bet for free. So how do you get a promo code for free? All you have to do is to come over to your menu, click on promo codes, and you're going to see your codes here. If you have points, you can buy a code. So you need points. To get points, all you have to do is to spend enough time after you've registered your account, and you're going to start receiving points. When you receive the points, you can see your promo codes here. So you can buy promo codes for single bet, football accumulator, and lucky wheel. So if I had points, I could buy a code here, and these are the instructions for every code. So once you buy a code here, you can go now back and bet with it for free on your 1xbet events.